Imagine a plane taking off from Los Angeles, destined for New York City. Now the pilot adjusts the course by just 3.5 degrees east. This tiny change might seem insignificant, but it could land the plane in Boston instead. This illustrates James Clear's atomic habits. Small changes can create monumental shifts over time. Our lives are shaped by daily habits, not grand gestures. By improving tiny actions 1% at a time, we unlock remarkable transformation. You don't need to overhaul your life overnight. Focus on small, incremental improvements to your routines. Atomic Habits provides a framework for identifying and maintaining good habits. It's about designing a system for personal growth and leveraging the science behind habit formation. We often overestimate the importance of massive actions, thinking that only grand gestures or significant changes can make a difference in our lives, and underestimate the power of small, consistent improvements. These tiny adjustments, though seemingly insignificant, can accumulate over time to create substantial change. Imagine getting 1% better at something every day. It might not seem like much on a daily basis, but over time, these small gains add up. It might seem insignificant initially, but the cumulative effect is staggering, just like how a plant grows slowly but surely, or how a building is constructed brick by brick. Like compound interest, our habits multiply to create remarkable results. The small actions we take daily can lead to exponential growth and improvement. Improve 1% each day for a year, and you'll be 37 times better. This concept is not just theoretical. It's backed by mathematics and real-life examples. This principle applies to any area: health, relationships, finances, or personal growth. Whether you want to get fitter, build stronger relationships, save more money, or learn a new skill, small daily improvements can make a huge difference. Want to write a book? Commit to writing just 200 words daily. It might not seem like much, but over time these words add up. This small, consistent effort can lead to a completed manuscript in a year. Imagine the sense of accomplishment you'll feel when you see the finished product. Atomic Habits encourages shifting focus from ambitious goals to small, sustainable changes. By breaking down big goals into manageable tasks, you make progress more achievable. Embrace gradual progress and celebrate small wins. Each small victory is a step towards your larger goal and deserves recognition. It's not about being perfect, it's about being consistent. Consistency is the key to long-term success and improvement. Tiny improvements compounded over time lead to extraordinary outcomes. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. At the heart of Atomic Habits is a powerful framework, the 4 laws of behavior change. These laws are: make it obvious, make it attractive, make it easy, and make it satisfying. They explore the stages of habit formation: cue, craving, response, and reward. Each stage plays a crucial role in developing and maintaining habits. By applying these laws, we can design our environment and routines to support desired habits. This means making small, intentional changes to our surroundings. For example, to drink more water, place a full water bottle on your desk. This simple act makes the habit obvious and within reach. Make it attractive with a pleasing bottle, one that you enjoy using and looking at. Make it easy by keeping a glass nearby so you don't have to search for one when you're thirsty. And make it satisfying by acknowledging your hydration efforts, perhaps by tracking your intake in a journal or app. The 4 laws provide a practical roadmap for habit formation. They guide us in creating habits that stick. Whether building a new habit or breaking an old one, these laws offer a framework for success. They help us understand the mechanics behind our behaviors. Design your environment and routines to promote positive change. By doing so, you set yourself up for long-term success and personal growth. Our environment plays a crucial role in shaping our habits. The spaces we inhabit can either support or hinder our efforts to build new routines. We are more likely to perform a behavior when exposed to cues that trigger it. These cues can be as simple as a sticky note or a visual reminder placed strategically. The first law, make it obvious, emphasizes designing surroundings to make habits salient. By making the cues for our desired habits clear and noticeable, we set ourselves up for success. Use implementation intentions. Create specific plans for when and where to perform a behavior. This means deciding in advance the exact time and place you will carry out your new habit. For example, say, I will run every morning at 7 a.m. in my neighborhood park. This clear plan removes ambiguity and increases the likelihood of following through. Another technique is habit stacking. Link a new habit to an existing one. This method leverages the power of your current routines to build new behaviors. Decide to meditate for 5 minutes after brushing your teeth each morning. By attaching the new habit to an established one, it becomes easier to remember and perform. Make desired habits obvious with constant visual reminders. These reminders should be placed in locations where you will see them frequently throughout the day. Place healthy snacks visibly, leave workout clothes out, or put a book on your bedside table. These small adjustments can make a big difference in your daily habits. The more visible a cue, the more likely it is to trigger the desired behavior. Consistent exposure to these cues helps reinforce the habit over time. Design your environment to support your goals. A well-organized and thoughtfully arranged space can significantly enhance your ability to stick to new habits and achieve your objectives. Make it attractive: temptation bundling and the power of association. The second law, make it attractive, highlights associating pleasure with desired habits. Our brains seek pleasurable activities. Pair a habit you want to build with something you enjoy to increase consistency. Temptation bundling. Link an enjoyable activity with one you're trying to do more of. For example, only watch your favorite TV show while on the treadmill. Join a culture where your desired behavior is the norm. Surround yourself with people who share your values and goals. Make desired habits more attractive to increase consistency. Leverage the brain's wiring to seek pleasure and avoid pain. Associate positive feelings and rewards with desired behaviors. Make it easy. Reduce friction, increase repetition. The third law, make it easy, emphasizes minimizing friction for desired habits. The easier a behavior, the more likely we are to do it consistently. Optimize your environment to make desired behaviors effortless. Remove unhealthy snacks and replace them with healthy options. Lay out workout clothes the night before. Break down desired habits into smaller, manageable steps. Start with a 10-minute walk each day before increasing duration and intensity. Reduce friction to make habits more likely to stick. Create an environment that supports your goals and break down complex behaviors. Make it satisfying, the power of immediate rewards. The fourth law, make it satisfying, emphasizes making habits immediately rewarding. Our brains seek instant gratification. Use a habit tracker to visually track progress and feel accomplished. Mark an X on a calendar each day you complete a habit. Reward yourself for sticking with habits. Choose meaningful rewards that align with your values. Celebrate small wins and recognize progress. Make the process enjoyable to increase consistency. Immediate rewards make habits more likely to stick. Shaping your space for success, the influence of environment. Our environment plays a crucial role in shaping our habits. We are influenced by our surroundings, whether it's our homes, workplaces, or the people we spend time with. Consciously design your environment to support desired habits. Make changes to areas where you spend most of your time. Remove unhealthy snacks and replace them with fruit. Create a cozy reading nook to encourage reading. Surround yourself with people who share your goals. Your environment is not your destiny. You can shape it to support your goals. Small strategic changes to your environment can make it easier to stick to desired habits. Systems over goals. Optimize the process, not just the outcome. Atomic Habits offers a refreshing perspective focus on building systems, not just chasing outcomes. Goals set direction, but systems determine progress. For example, a basketball player's goal might be to win a championship, but the system includes daily practice, diet, sleep, and mindset. Optimizing your system increases the chances of achieving desired outcomes. Focusing solely on goals creates a yo-yo effect. Systems are about continuous improvement. Fall in love with the process, not just the end result. Shift focus from ambitious goals to building sustainable systems. Optimize daily routines and habits for long-term success. Create a system that consistently delivers results over time. The journey of atomic transformation. It's about embracing the power of small, consistent actions compounded over time. Real, lasting change requires patience, persistence, and commitment. Atomic Habits provides a framework for designing a life aligned with your values. Identify keystone habits that have a ripple effect on other areas of your life. Approach the process with self-compassion and learn from mistakes. Each setback is an opportunity for growth. Continuously seek ways to improve and become the best version of yourself. Embrace the power of small habits for extraordinary outcomes. Embrace the compound effect, small habits, extraordinary life. Atomic Habits teaches that small habits consistently applied create extraordinary lives. It's about embracing 1% improvements compounded over time. Success is a continuous process of becoming. Embrace atomic habits and unlock your potential for lasting, positive change. Start small, stay consistent, and trust the compound effect to lead you to a life beyond your wildest dreams.